Guess what, guys? I have compiled a video with from the Rudy to the Tootie, at least the first year of my lock journey. I'm a year and 9 months in, but from when I say the beginning, I'm talking about from test locks to getting my hair colored and everything in between for the first year. So you want to hang on and watch the full video on what was the first year of my lock journey like. Before you get your locks, you want to get test locks to see what is the best rotation and thickness of your lock. So these were mine. And look how thin this next one is. Oh gosh, it's like so itty bitty. Look at it, look cute stuff. And this is like how it looks when you're not pulling on it. You can even see like some of the rotation methods. Then I got my hair colored because you should get your hair colored before getting the locks. Because once you get your locks, you cannot get color until they are fully locked or the locks become undone. Day one, I got my hair started. It was about 7 hours. It's the end of day one of my installation. We still have the second half to do. As you see, we've gotten the sides done. This is the top. You know, we see some scalp, but not too bad for day one for a person that has fine hair. So tomorrow we'll pick up, and she said we'll get the entire second half done. I will return with more videos on tomorrow. At this point, I'm finished. Hair has been completely locked, and you see that ponytail, that length? That's about as much hair as I have now, but this is pre-shrinkage, okay? This is before your locks have locked and gotten tight. Trust me, it will not stay this long. Shrinkage is a-coming. Oh, yeah, it's coming. Now, here's about 2 days in. You can see some scalp, but not bad. Again, this is just 2 days in, and I have very fine hair, remember. Now, this next one, I have actually pulled my hair off of my forehead because my bang looked a little too skimpy for me. Now, here we are 3 weeks in, and look how much we've already started getting fullness. Now, the next photo is going to be showing my first retightening. Look at it, guys. Look at the difference in my scalp just in a matter of 4 simple weeks and how much my hair is starting to already fill in. Here's another example of, you see, it's coming in, guys. You know, but let me tell you something. In this next clip, you're going to see that shrinkage is real. Oh, yeah, shrinkage is real. But, hey, you still have your hair. Length. Look at this picture. These updos I played around with, I was able to still stretch my hair that high because the length was still there. It's just that the shrinkage is real. So you can still experiment with your hair, but you may have to stretch your locks while they are in that heavily shrinking phase. At this point, we are 2 months in, and we're starting to see some progress. If you look here, my hair is starting to get thicker in texture, kind of a spongy-like texture. And again, shrinkage is real, but you know, hey, we don't care because it's looking good. So as you can see here, guys, literally my hair looks less fine and skimpy. The locks themselves individually are literally thickening up in texture. We are now entering month 4 through month 10 on the next 2 or 3 pictures. As you can see, my hair is getting bigger. And it's also getting frizzier. This is like my frizz puffy phase that I did enjoy because I got a lot of fullness from my hair. I don't know, it's like my hair was expanding. As you can see, it's so huge and big. And then the next phase, probably around month like 9, 10, 11, was my hair was less big, but my hair was starting to get more defined. My locks, each lock was defining more. My ends, as you can see, are still frizzy, and they're not fully locked on the very ends yet. But they are starting to. And this is again about the year mark. Now this is actually 1 year in on this photo where my hair is again a mixture of frizz mixed with definition coming in. This concludes the first year. And if you've not done so, I'd love for you to hit the like and subscribe button and continue to watch me on this journey of hair, health, and happiness. Oh, and follow me on Instagram too at Microlocs and more. And that's Microlocs and more, with the and being AND. Have a good day, guys.